Welcome to 538 Summit Terrace Court. This neat 3-bedroom, 2.5-bath home with laminate hardwood floors downstairs and a rear deck. It's located in the Gatewood neighborhood just outside of the Summit in Northeast Columbia. Convenient to I-20 and I-77, Fort Jackson, Sandhills dining and shopping, and Richland 2 schools. So looking back out, you can see the parking lot is back out that way, and a small sidewalk to access the property itself. We'll take a look inside. So you notice right inside the front door, notice the laminate hardwood flooring. We'll try to get you some more light there. You can see the laminate hardwood flooring right inside the living room that continues through the kitchen and into the dining area on the back of the property as well. You have a ceiling fan in the living room. Window looking out to the front. And then you pass through into the nice open kitchen here. So all of your appliances are along one wall. You have an electric stove, dishwasher, and a refrigerator all in black. Window over that sink as well. And then on the opposite wall, you have a pantry with food storage here. You see the shelving on that side. And then it kind of doubles as a coat closet possibly as well with a hanging rack on the opposite wall. Then you have your full-size washer and dryer connections in the laundry closet in the center. And then a half bathroom or guest bath off the kitchen as well. You have a single vanity and commode there as well. And then at the back here is your dining room. Ceiling fan in here as well. There's a sliding glass door that lets you out to the back deck. So you can see wood deck out back. And then you sort of back up to some cypress trees planted there. And it's sort of open to your left side. And then right around the corner here, or opposite that door, you have your stairs going up to the second level. Carpeting starts on the stairs and continues up throughout the second level. Right off the landing to your right here is what will be considered your master bedroom. It does have the only private bathroom, so it has a full private bath. Had a laminate hardwood flooring in here as well, a single vanity, and a shower and tub. Then a walk-in closet right next door. And there's more hanging space there behind the door. Then 2 additional bedrooms that share a Jack and Jill bath in the center. So you have this one here, closets here on the left, and then you can see the bathroom, single vanity in here as well. It's a commode, and then your shower and tub. You can sort of see through to the opposite side, and behind the door there's some shelving. And just the opposite view of that other bedroom. And then last but not least, your third and final bedroom in the home. This one does have a walk-in closet also, and also has a window in that closet. And then you can see the view back out to the hallway. So that completes our tour of this home. Again, the address is 538 Summit Terrace Court. You can find out more information on this home by visiting our website at turnerproperties.com or by giving us a call at 803-407-8522.